Oh boy, man. Miss this place. Woo! Good memories, huh, Steve-O? Oh boy, yo. Settle. Oh, I'm ready when you are, man.
Oh, we already started recording.
Like you started.
Yep. Camera is on.
In that case. Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome to the Edison News. I am Terrell, your favorite host with the absolute most, and I am absolutely glad to be back with you guys for another school year. Ninth graders, hey, welcome to this beautiful facility, and I hope you enjoy your years and make the absolute best out of it. Seniors, class of 2020, woo woo, let's go, let's share, let's finish strong. On this edition of the Edison News, we will be providing you with general announcements. Next, 9th and 10th graders, you'll get a chance to meet someone who is very important on helping you along this high school journey. Next, we'll go to announcements for seniors. Finally, we'll have a word about the Edison News itself. Stay tuned.
Hello, Edison. It's me, Stevie G, and I'm back, unfortunately. I've got news to give you about cheap internet access. Do you need Wi-Fi at home, but it's just too expensive? Well, you can get an affordable home Wi-Fi for only $9.95 a month, plus tax, from Comcast. There's no contract, no credit check, no installation fee. Affordable computers from only $149.99. If you don't know how to internet right, there's free internet education. For more information, go to internetessentials.com. This offer is exclusive to households under the National School Lunch Program, housing assistance, Medicaid, SNAP, SSI, and others.
Edison family, what's up? We are hosting our very own back to school night on September 26th from 5 to 7 p.m. It'll be a great chance for you to fellowship and connect with some of your peers, meet parents, staff, enemies, meet everybody. It'll be an awesome time. It's happening right here. That's your only move, September 26th. Mark it on the calendar from 5 to 7. Be here or be squared. Probably shouldn't have said that.
Hi, I'm Miss Liang. I am the College and Career Readiness Coordinator. This year I will be working mainly with 9th and 10th grade, supporting students in staying on track to graduate and making sure that you're on track and preparing for your post-secondary goals, whether that's college or career. I will be working very closely with your teachers, counselors, Gear Up, and City Year to make sure that this is a successful school year for all of you. I will only be here on Tuesdays and Thursdays and some Fridays, and you can find me in room 243 with Ms. Rivera. And come say hi. I look forward to meeting you soon.
The 12th Annual College Vocational and Labor Fair is in town. Speak directly to college admission officers, learn how to apply for local apprenticeships, and attend a workshop on how to obtain scholarships and financial aid. Lots of big names are going to be there. Arcadia, Drexel, Temple, Penn State, way more. It's happening at the Enon Tabernacle Baptist Church at 2800 West Cheltenham Avenue. It's going to be happening from 11 a.m. to 2 p.m. Be there or be rectangle.
National Gear Up Week will be held between the dates of September 23rd and September 27th. Also, we encourage you to talk to your parents or guardians about your future after high school, whether that be college-bound, trade, or any other career that you may choose to pursue. And if you need any more guidance or advice about your future while in or after high school, Ms. Rivera is available at your convenience in room 243.
The FAFSA Challenge Kickoff, Thursday, October 3rd from 4 p.m. to 7 p.m. It's going to be at the School District of Philadelphia Administration Building Atrium. The kickoff will cover College 101 and scholarships with financial planning professionals. There's going to be snacks, games, raffles, and prizes for all, along with light refreshments. There's plenty of chances to win prizes from the Philadelphia 76ers. Seniors, your FAFSA applications. The FAFSA opens on October 1st. You're going to need a couple of things when you choose to fill it out. You're going to need a professional email address. That means no swagmaster69@gmail. You're going to need your social security number, your 2018 taxes if you worked, your driver's license number, the list of colleges you plan on applying to, or you have applied to, and your FSA ID. If you don't have that, we can help you with that. Speak to Ms. Rivera. Your parents will be involved when filling out the FAFSA as well. They're going to need their email address, their social security number, and their 2018 taxes, records of their assets and or untaxed income, and their FSA ID. Same thing with them, we'll also help them. Remember, the earlier you do the FAFSA, the more likely you are to get more money. Ladies and gentlemen, the time has come to expand the Edison News operation. Do you have charisma? Do you like to share news with the world? The Edison News needs you. If you'd like to host a segment right here, where I'm sitting, reach out to Mr. Espinal in room 150 for an audition. We could always use more hosts. This is Stevie G, signing out.
All right, family, that's all for us here at the Edison News and Film Department today. I will see you next week. Make sure to tune in during your advisory. Please try your best to enjoy the rest of your week. Unless you have classes with Miss Cohen, then I understand why it's hard for you to enjoy your day here at school. But other than that, I'll see you next time. Goodbye for now.